Greetings, Dumelang Sanbonani Togozani Khanya Lesedi. Welcome finally to the intro episode. Yeah, so you know when the intro episode happens. But yes, thank you so much for the subscription. I wanted to do a thank you as well. I see we are growing. Thank you so much for watching my content, even those who don't agree with my content or those who are still learning. Thank you so much and putting up with my tika ring there. But yeah, I just want to do a quick one where I introduce what we're about on the space. But this is basically where I just wanted to create a safe space for everybody, especially melanated everybody, where we can talk without retiskara everybody, because I think the mission is bigger than what the current divides have for us. But the initial idea of the space with Vele was for queer individuals, Black queer conscious, but who never had a valid voice, I guess, in spiritual spaces or unconscious spaces where their level of being was questioned. So it's a thing that I'm practicing right now as well, where hear the message and just don't judge it from the source that it's coming from, but hear the whatever is truth for you then, I'm very conscious in saying how your truth, because I don't know, is it a your truth thing? But yeah, so here we talk cannabis, we are Wake and Bake Gang, we are Stoners United. Yeah, so we wanted to create just a safe space for conscious to talk things spiritual, to talk things African spirituality, excuse me for the misnomer, but we touch on seasons as well on the African calendar. But the initial idea of this space was to cover podcasts. When I had the concept a couple of years ago, wanted it to be a podcast crime channel, because I'm very aligned to true crime. So I wanted to do that, but in the queer space and the women's space, especially the queens, the gods, the Black women, and just get a consciousness out there, an awakening out there. But I did find myself in spaces where now I'm aligned to certain knowledge, or the reoccurrence, or me actually aligning to the knowledge at that time. And I wanted to share that because it has helped me with certain aspects of my life, because I'm all about healing with those alternatives. So exploring also the different ways of healing from Matlapa. But yeah, if we can base them on the 4.5 elements of life, ether being the fifth one, but base it on that, how to rise to our God selves, to realize reliance on self and how certain things actually cripple us, but collectively it's just Black love, Black consciousness, and higher elevation of life. And yeah, I think I did cover everything, but yeah, also I wanted it to be a safe space for stoners, because but they're not, so they wanna not hear the message because we either high or whatever it is. But and explore the different strains, how cannabis helps as a healing tool as well, so we're gonna get into that as well, psychedelics. And so that is what we are about here. I know I did cover it in the bio, so for those who prefer watching things instead of reading things, this is what we're here about, and everybody's voice is valid. Let's teach from a place of love. Let's teach from a place of love, because I think that is the only true energy, the only truth, I guess. And I love it. We are Love and Light Gang, even though sometimes we laugh about certain things that are serious, especially like the wars that were Togoza versus Makosi versus Distonia. But stuff that we're gonna talk about. The camera re-died, but that's what we covered. We also have vento clocks, for things that might pop up and they're a little bit slightly pissing us off. But do join us. Hoping we get into the podcast part of the program pretty soon, where we start our true crime. But however, please just check out the episodes that have paused regarding the African calendar, regarding the seasons, regarding types of healing, regarding preps for the full moon, whatever it is that piques your interest. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and commenting. See you on the next episode.